Most cars are basically worn out by 150,000 miles, but a small group of cheap, ordinary cars routinely blow past 200,000, some without ever needing a major repair. Today, 10 of them, ranked, with the real numbers on how likely they are to get there and what it costs. Reaching 200,000 miles is rare. Most vehicles never get close. The cars on this list made it based on real ownership data, not just brand hype, chance of reaching 200,000 miles, annual repair costs, and how expensive those repairs actually are. Every one of these is affordable to buy used. Let's start at number 10. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is the best-selling car nameplate in history, and reliability is a big reason why. Its naturally aspirated engines are mechanically simple, parts are everywhere, and repair bills stay low. A 2026 base model starts around $23,000. Buy a 2015 to 2019 model used, and you're looking at one of the cheapest paths to 250,000 plus miles on the road today. 9. Honda Civic. The Civic is the commuter car that refuses to quit. It's cheap to insure, cheap to fix, and mechanically straightforward, especially the manual transmission versions from the 2000s, which have some of the highest reported mileage totals of any compact car. 8. Toyota Prius. Toyota's hybrid system is the most field-tested hybrid technology on the planet. According to IC Cars, the Prius has roughly a 29% chance of passing 200,000 miles, well above average, and 10-year maintenance costs around $4,360, lower than most comparable hatchbacks. 7. Honda CR-V. The CR-V gives you SUV practicality with sedan-level reliability. IC Cars puts its odds of reaching 200,000 miles at nearly 30%, and RepairPal says CR-V owners head to the shop for unscheduled repairs only about 0.3 times a year. 6. Toyota Camry. The Camry is one of the most dependable cars sold in America, full stop. It has about a 26% chance of hitting 200,000 miles per IC Cars, and 10-year maintenance runs around $4,581, over $1,000 less than the average comparable sedan. 5. Honda Accord. The Accord has sold about 15 million units since launch, and that scale means decades of reliability data backing it up. IC Cars gives it a 26.5% shot at 200,000 miles, over 3 times more likely than the average car. 4. Lexus IS. The Lexus IS is Toyota engineering wearing a luxury badge. It topped J.D. Power's reliability study and has the highest odds of any sedan on this list of reaching 250,000 miles, about 27.5%, 10 times more likely than an average car. 10-year maintenance runs under $6,000 despite the luxury badge. 3. Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline is the sleeper pick, a car-based pickup with lower annual repair costs than almost any mid-size truck. RepairPal puts it at about $502 a year, well below the segment average. Less rugged image than a body-on-frame truck, but far less drama in ownership. 2. Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner has stayed on largely the same platform for years instead of chasing redesigns, and that consistency shows in the data. IC Cars gives it a 48% chance of reaching 200,000 miles, the best of any midsize SUV. It's still off-road capable even at high mileage. 1. Toyota Tacoma. And the number 1 spot goes to the Tacoma, a genuine phenomenon in the used market. First-generation Tacomas with over 300,000 miles aren't rare. They're common enough to be a whole genre of content online. Simple mechanicals, a proven V6 in older generations, and body-on-frame toughness make it the truck people trust most to just keep running. A few habits separate a car that dies at 120,000 miles from one that sails past 200,000. Stick to the factory oil change schedule. Don't stretch it to save money. Fix small problems the moment they show up. Deferred maintenance is what actually kills these cars. Highway miles are gentler on an engine than constant stop-and-go traffic. And keep up with tire rotations and fluid checks. They're cheap habits that prevent expensive failures down the road. None of these cars are flashy, and that's exactly the point. The ones that go the distance are rarely the ones getting attention at a stoplight. If you're driving one of these past 150,000 miles, drop your mileage in the comments. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this one.